of the day. It looks like we'll get it in before the rain. Moto number 10, 19 to 27 inner. We have Matt Cody out of Coventry, Rhode Island, doing it for Providence Bicycle of Warwick. Warren Ortelt out of Wakefield. Sean Mack out of North Smithfield. Chuck Grover out of North Smithfield. And Jeff Brunn out of Ashway. Gate drops down. They're neck and neck. It's Ortelt and Brunn in the front spot. It's Brunn's out in front. Ortelt gets a little slippage there in the corner, but holds on to it. It's Brunn, Ortelt, Grover, Cody, and Mack in that order. That's Jeff Brunn out of Ashway. Veteran BMXer on the front spot, taking the win. Jeff Brunn, second going to Ortelt, third going to Grover, fourth going to Mack. And on the backside, Matt Cody out of Coventry, doing it for Providence Bicycle.